Well, I gotta do this first. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. It works. I know it. I can do it. Yes, it doesn't have all the advantages that the new ones have, but at least I can get out when there's no electricity. If things aren't broken, you don't throw them away or change it for something else. We grew up with that sense of not throwing stuff away because of that. So that's why I think there's so many antiques around, including people. I'm one of them. I'm glad you're feeling better, Paul. You didn't have these crazy... The calls you get today weren't like they were. There was somebody you knew or was about to know. There wasn't the calls you get to buy something or to vote for somebody. They didn't use the phone then like that. It was more an accessible gossip column, to put it bluntly, or call the doctor. Or, have you seen our cows up in your pasture? Orchard. That's the way we were brought up. We utilized stuff. We didn't have to have new stuff every time we turned around. And I think that's one of the reasons the country's in such a dire distress now. Yeah, and enjoy the beautiful day outside. Lap it up. Catch you later, dear. Yeah, bye-bye.